You work hard, prove yourself to be an asset, and you rise up the ladder. Eventually, you move into people management. Now, as a manager, you tell others how to rise up the ladder. Tell them the way to do things and direct employees towards your way of doing things. With constant and disruptive change today, managers don't have all the answers and need to find answers collaboratively so that they can unleash innovation, fresh new ideas, and commitment. In this video, I'm going to share with you how the leader's role has transitioned from command and control to that of a coach. We look at an Harvard Business Review article and the 4 coaching stances of a leader. And finally, how you can adopt these stances as a leader. Hi, my name is Anil Jaisingh. I'm a certified Scrum trainer with Scrum Alliance and adjunct faculty with the graduate program of project management in NYU and an entrepreneur running Concepts and Beyond, a premier training and coaching company. I'm on a mission to help leaders, teams, and organizations drive product innovation and build profitable businesses. Subscribe to my channel for stories of innovation fueled by product management, business agility, and leadership topics. Coaching is not about sharing what you know with someone. It's a way of asking questions that can spark new insights in the other person and help them change their behavior. According to Sir John Whitmore, coaching is unlocking people's potential to maximize their own performance. Many leaders feel uncomfortable with coaching. They tend to do what comes naturally to them, which is assert their authority. In a recent study of about 4,000 executives who assessed their own coaching skills and their assessments compared with those who work for them, 24% of the executives significantly overestimate their abilities, rating themselves as above average. As a trainer and a coach, my company and me has worked with several executives to help them become a coach. What I have observed is they start with open-ended questions. How are things going? Or what opportunities do you see to improve the situation? In their mind, they're looking for a desired response. When their suite of questions do not evoke the desired outcome, they very quickly switch back to telling their employees what to do. According to the Harvard Business Review article, there are 4 stances of coaching presented in this 2x2 matrix. At the upper left in quadrant 1 is directive coaching, which means telling. Mentoring is also part of this. A manager has all the answers and directs his or her employees towards a task. Besides the fact that the manager might not have all the answers, this approach generates a very low energy in the employee. In quadrant 2, we have the leave them alone approach. This is when everybody in the team is productively delivering their work, and it's best to leave them alone. Quadrant 3 has non-directive coaching. This is based on active listening, questioning, and withholding judgment. Instead of telling, managers are focused on unleashing collaborative ideas from their teams by not telling them, but asking them and guiding them to come up with their own answers with open-ended questions. This helps solve the problem from different angles, with insight and creativity coming from everyone in the team. Quadrant 4 is situational coaching. This is striking a balance between directive and non-directive styles. Depending on the situation, the manager switches their hats to guide and tell the employee when the employee needs direction, and when the employee shows initiative, to step back and switch to the non-directive stance. So how do you as a manager learn non-directive and then situational coaching? Sir John Whitmore shares with us the GROW model. The G in the GROW stands for a goal. R stands for reality, O stands for options, and W stands for will. In my next video, we will go deep into the GROW model with an example from Microsoft and its transformation when the current CEO, Satya Nadella, took over. I would like to highlight a new course that I'm teaching called Certified Agile Leader. If you're interested in learning how a leader can become a coach and how this connects with Agile leadership, join my Certified Agile Leader course. This course is certified by Scrum Alliance and it teaches you the skills that you require to be an Agile leader and how to develop them. Sign up for the interest list in the description below and pay $100 for the course. I had planned to run this course in January 2025 and it typically costs about $1,000 to attend and get certified. For a limited time, this course and certification is available to you for only $100. Only if you attend this course and give me your honest feedback. When you sign up for the interest list, I'll send you the discount code to sign up for the course. If you like this video, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing to it so that you can get more videos on leadership insights, on product management, and aspects of business agility. And I will see you next time.